Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about Adobe Firefly tutorial, Firefly Photoshop. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. Let's begin with going to our Adobe Creative Cloud here. The thing here with Adobe Firefly for Firefly Photoshop is that you actually need to subscribe to Creative Cloud so that you'll be able to access the Photoshop beta. Photoshop beta is the Photoshop where it also incorporates AI to generate images to edit your original image that you have. Once you have the Adobe Creative Cloud, you just need to go to Beta Apps and then simply click on Photoshop Beta and install that into your computer. Once fully installed, you just need to open it and then you will now be able to start creating images just by creating or opening a new file or opening an existing project that you already had. So here we'll start with a new file. I will be looking for a photo that I can edit here. Let's have this image here. Just click on open and then it will be uploaded here into our Photoshop software. So what we can do here, you can see that there is at the bottom part, there is a bar where you can see that you can select or remove a background for this image. So what we need to do first actually is create or click the selective tool, whether it's the rectangle tool or the lasso tool. And then when you click on it, you see that there's a generative fill option. But what we need to do first is that we need to delete the whole portion where you want the image to be edited into. So what you need to do is duplicate the layer here on the lower right side corner of the screen. You need the layer to be duplicate just by right clicking that layer. Now that that's duplicated, what you can do is select the area where you want the um, generative fill to take place and just simply erase that portion. And on the original image here, we just need to unhide or hide that specific layer rather. So we only have the duplicate layer to be visible here on our workspace. You see that now that the background or the top part of the image is removed, you can actually click on generative fill and then type in the prompt on what you'd like to add into the image. So you can see you want to add stars, you can do so. Let's look into what the results would be. So the thing here with the Photoshop beta is that it provides you or it generates 3 variations of the image for you to choose from. And please keep in mind as well that with a subscription here for Photoshop beta, it only has a 7-day free trial. So what you need to do is you can explore the Photoshop beta for 7 days, and if you wish to continue using this maybe for business purposes or professional purpose, you can definitely purchase their subscription plan. So here I just created the prompt here. Instead of stars, I will be creating an image for galaxy instead. You can see here I have 3 options here on the right panel of the screen, where I can choose the Milky Way, or I have there the comet like design, depending on what you like. And if you prefer that specific image, you just need to keep that here. You can leave it as is. And then once that is now incorporated, you can add a few more details. For example, you want to change the clothes of the subject or the people on the picture. You can definitely do so. Or if you want to add a golden retriever, or if you want to add flowers, you can definitely do that as well. There's no limit with generating an image here to fill out all the spaces in your image here with Adobe Firefly. So just simply select a specific part of the page and then just click on generative fill. So here what I'm doing is I will be adding wildflowers into this field. So you just do the lasso tool and then close the area where you want the flowers to be in, and make sure, as we did earlier, we need to remove the area, or we need to remove the existing image in the area so that we will be able to generate image. So we just need to write the prompt and just click on generate. And here you see that it generated as wildflowers here. So we have three options to choose from. You can just click on the arrow button at the navigation bar here, or you can simply click here on the right side panel of the screen. You have three options, but I guess I will go with the third option here, or let me check on what fits best. I guess I'll do the first option. You just need to look into what image fits best into the image that you are trying to create here. So here I'll be adding another image. What I'll do is I will be adding, as I mentioned earlier, I would like to add a dog. So I'll type in here lasso tool and then just type in golden retriever and then just click on generate. Sometimes there's no need for you to remove that specific layer. You can simply generate as well the image and then just wait for it to load up. And then you have three options here. As you can see, it actually fills out the page or the portion of the lasso tool, so it looks proportional to the two persons in the subject as well. Here, so once you are satisfied with that image of the dog, you can just leave it as is, and then you can now generate more image using that specific tool, which is the generative fill tool. So once you're done, you can just simply click on export or go to files and then go to export, and then you can save it as a JPEG or a PNG file, depending on how you'd like to save this image as. And that's basically it. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.